Pronto, pronto. This is Pietro Semplice making yogurt in the Philippines. In the Philippines, it's really simple because you don't need a yogurt maker because it's always 30 degrees here. So what we have here is a Nestle Greek yogurt, and we use this as a starter. So we put that in that mixing bowl here. You just need 2 spoons, something like that, okay? So 2.5. And then we measure the milk for this container here. This is how we make the yogurt in the container. So it's a little bit under a liter, 1 liter. Okay, here's 1. And unfortunately, we only have this milk from Australia, which is okay. So here we go. We pour that in here, and then we mix the starter with the milk. So you mix it pretty good. This is it. And then you pour this mixture into this container. Alright. There you go. And then you put the lid on. There's a plastic lid. And then you just leave it sitting here for approximately a day and a half. So that's, what is that? 18 hours? 16 hours? 18 hours. So by tomorrow noon, this yogurt will be finished.